Hey guys, it's me Kelly and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, YesStyle sent me a Korean beauty surprise box. So I'm really excited about it. I opened it up because I didn't know what it was. It just came in like this box and like I was like confused. But I opened it up, took a little sneak peek, and first of all, they said Korean beauty surprise box, so I was like expecting makeup and I was planning to film like a makeup tutorial, but most of this is actually skincare, so it's gonna be like a skincare review. That's why I have a bare face right now. I have some pimples going on, so it's not the best situation, but it's whatever. Korean skincare is like kind of known as like something really good, so if you want to up your skincare game, I recommend you check out YesStyle. They have tons of Korean skincare and they also have a lot of sales, so you could get them for pretty cheap. Also, I'm wearing this really cute cropped cardigan with my pajama pants, so ignore that. But this is also from YesStyle. It was in my first YesStyle haul, so I'll just link this also down below if you're interested. It's really cute, very comfortable. So I'm just going to show you what I got. I got 3 things. This is a clove. It's K-L-A Klavu. K-L-A-V-U-U. Nourishing Care Lip Sleeping Pack. I'll put like the picture of what it is on the website here, and all of these things are linked down below too. And also, you could use my code KellyCha for like I think 5% off. I'm not really sure, but if it's like your first purchase, I think you get 10% off. It kind of depends on what the product is too, but you're gonna get money off if you use my code. All right, so back to the products. I'm gonna open this one first. This is a lip sleeping pack, and most of the box is in Korean, but this side has English with the directions, how to use, caution, blah blah blah. I'm actually Korean, but the thing is, I don't really read Korean that well or speak Korean that well. I definitely would not be able to read this whole box. Basically, this lip sleeping pack keeps your lips moisturized by using 3 different types of nutritional vegetable oil. Alright. Aw, it's so cute. It's this like cute mauvey pink color, and the inside is like a cream color. Oh, it kind of smells like vanilla. It kind of smells like the birthday cake, like Glossier Bomb.com. I actually have one like right over there, but it smells just like that. I know you're supposed to put this on before you go to sleep, but my lips are kind of chapped, so let's just put it on as like chapstick and just scoop it up like that, and then whoa, it's so thick. It's like lip gloss. It's like so thick, and it's not sticky. It's kind of like Vaseline, but like super smooth and like thick. Wow, I really like this. Okay, next we got this Dear Claris Fundamental Water Gel Cream. I know this brand, Claris. This brand is really good. Like, it's like pretty well known, so I recognize it. I don't have anything from them though. It's a water cream, so it's kind of like a moisturizer. Wow, this is so nice. This packaging feels so expensive. It comes with a little spoon, and it has a little cap thing that you just kind of, whoop. Oh, I spilled some. I spilled some on the side, but I'm just gonna use it. I washed my face, so I'm just gonna put it on. It's like pretty liquidy. Yeah, it just like moisturizes your skin really nicely. This product contains green tea water from Jeju, which is an island in Korea, and panthenol, which is something that like makes your skin moisturized. This is probably really good for dry skin because it's like for hydration, but also I know since it's a water-based cream, not an oil-based cream, it will also work for oily skin. So that's a plus. My skin is like kind of dry, so when I do use like the Neutrogena like water cream, like that kind of stuff, and I put it on, it like immediately makes my face feel tight and like dried out. I'm not sure why, but this is like retaining its moisture and it feels pretty good. Last in this package, we have Make Prem UV Defense Me Blu-ray Sun Fluid. Korean people are really like on top of their sunscreen game because they like really like pale skin, like they don't like getting tanned. So I expect like their sunscreens to be pretty good. This is the bottle. It's a lot of this. You can put it on your face, arms, legs. Here it is. Pretty standard sunscreen texture, sunscreen color. Let's just see if it washes me out, like has a white cast, or if it blends nicely. So I'm gonna do like half my face. It smells good. It kind of smells like candy. Actually, I don't know if it's candy, but it smells like childhood. It smells so familiar. Okay, I don't know if you can see a difference, but I think it does a pretty good job. I'm not sure how well this would be for darker skin tones, but I think if you just blend it in, it'll be fine. The consistency is very like smooth. It's not like you're globbing on sunscreen, it's not super thick. And it also feels like it moisturizes my skin too. Overall, my skin feels very nice. Like, it's not like super oily, it's just like on there. And I'm glad I got this because I honestly don't have any sunscreen, which is really bad, but I was going to buy some soon. And then this came and I was like, perfect. So even though I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't get any makeup, like some eyeshadow palettes or like a lip stain or like some cream blushes, like those things that are popular in Korea, I'm honestly so happy with all 3 of these Korean skincare products. Use my code KellyChaw, all caps, for some money off. I know like I have like a code and everything, but I'm kind of obsessed with YesStyle. Like their stuff is like so good. They have the best sales. I know some people are thinking like, oh, are they really legit, and comparing them to like Shein and like those cheap websites. But if I were to make like an analogy or like a comparison, YesStyle is kind of like Ulta or like Sephora, where they have different brands that sell. These brands, these like skincare products, are coming from the brand itself, and YesStyle is just distributing them. And for like the clothes too, like every clothing item that I buy is not like made from YesStyle. It's made from a brand, and the brand sells it through YesStyle. So there would be like some sketchy brands and some like cheap brands, but a lot of the brands that are like reputable are like pretty good. So yeah, I hope that cleared things up. And if you were like kind of on the fence about like, should I even trust this website, it kind of like, you know, convinced you that they're not bad. I don't know, I trust them. They have a lot of different skincare brands too. Like I would definitely recommend COSRX, like that brand in general. They're the ones who like have like those pimple patches, and they have this face wash that I use all the time, which is great. And I know Skincare by Hyram like talked about it a few times too, like that brand. Also, this brand, Vanilla Co. I love this Clean It Zero oil-based cleanser. It melts off all your makeup. If you go to my TikTok and you see some of the videos where I take off my makeup, that thing that I'm using to like rub it all off, that's that, and it works like a charm. That's the end of my video. Hopefully in the near future, I am going to buy some Korean like makeup products and do like a whole Korean beauty makeup transformation, maybe turn myself into like a K-pop star or something like that, because I think that would be such a cute video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, also make sure you enter my giveaway a few videos back. Bye!